Hello everyone, it's Julia, and for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 looks from the Best Year Ever Too Faced palette collection that released for the holiday season, and it comes with these 3 palettes right here, and I'm going to be doing a look with each of them for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Miss Beauty Queen 14, but you can call me Julia, Jules, whatever makes you happy, and I try to post videos every single Thursday, and if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And also tap that notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video. So yeah, let's just get on with the video. Before I get into all 3 looks, I want to let you guys know that all of these palettes either have a blush, bronzer, or highlighter, and I actually use all of them today, and I wanted to just tell you guys a little bit about them. So first, there was a bronzer in the Natural Beauty palette, and this is what it looks like. I didn't really like this, but I just thought I could have used a bit more color. I feel like it came off a little bit more sheer, and I had to keep going in my brush more to get more color. So I kind of wish there was more pigmentation the first time dipping in, but other than that, I think it's pretty good. And then next, for the blush in the I Believe in Pink palette, this is insanely pigmented, super bright. So I went in with a really light hand just to do that, and I thought it worked once I did that, but you don't want to be dipping in too much because your cheeks will be way too pink. But yeah, honestly, this wasn't that bad, just you definitely have to go in with a light hand and it'll be fine. Lastly, in the Super Fun at Night palette, you have a gorgeous goldy highlighter, and I love this highlighter. I think it looks really, really nice, and this is one where I only had to, I got a lot of color right away, so I really like that, and I just think it looks really pretty on the skin, and it definitely does what it should. It's not crackly, I feel like it's nice and smooth, and I do really like this highlighter. Also, I just want to let you guys know, yes, I do have a pimple here, let's just try to ignore it. I tried to fix it as much as I could, but sometimes you just can't. Yeah, and also I put my hair up so it wouldn't be my face. My first look, I'm going to be using the Natural Beauty palette, and this is what it looks like. And when you open it up, it's just a lot of nice, really warm brown shades. You have 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer shades, and then the bronzer. And I'm going to try to use all of these colors today, because I can probably work that in. So I'm going to put the color Angelic all over my lid using my Deluxe Crease Brush, but before I do that, I need to put on eyeshadow primer because I realized I didn't do that yet. So I am going to be taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and doing that real quick, and I'll be right back once I'm done with that. I just finished the eyeshadow primer, and now I'm going to be actually putting the color on my lid. And just so you guys know, I do have a mirror right here, so I will be looking down a bit, if you're wondering. So now that I've done a little matte base, I think I am going to be going right into Pretty Pecan, which is this really cool milk chocolatey shimmery brown, and just packing that on my lid. And I am going to be using, let's see, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush right here, and then taking Pretty Pecan and packing that onto my lid. Alright, so I definitely got a little bit above my eyelid, like on my crease, which I didn't really want to do. So I feel like maybe I should have went with a smaller brush with this, but overall I really like this color. But I think I'll just try to blend it out. Next, I'm going to be taking Oh Dear, which is this matte light brown shade right here, and I am just going to be putting this in my crease to blend out kind of where I messed up a little bit before. Okay, so what I ended up doing with this color is I kind of blended it out a bit. I went on my crease, but I went out a little bit further just to kind of make that cat eye look, because I think I'll go for a little smokier neutral look today with this one. Real Techniques shading brush into Beethoven and do that on my outer V, but more just going to be packing it down. We're not really going all the way out, just kind of packing it in. You'll see what I'm doing. Okay, so now that we have that on, I'm just going to blend it out so it looks much better. Alright, and now I'm going to go into the shade Slay My Name, and I'm going to put that more in the center of my eyelid to just add some more shimmer, because I feel like I want some more. I have matte on the outside, but I kind of want some more shimmer. Now that we have that, I'm going to go back in with my Essential crease brush from Real Techniques and taking Oh Dear again and just blending out the crease. And then to finish it off, I'm going to be taking the last color I haven't used yet, which is 5 Golden Rings, and it is just a little light gold shimmery color, and I'm going to put that in my brow bone and my inner corner. That is the finished look with the Natural Beauty palette, and as you can see, you can definitely use all of these colors in here to do a look, and I really like this. And honestly, this was so simple, it really doesn't take that long, and I really like how this turned out. So I'm going to go finish the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so now I finished doing eyeshadow on both my eyes, and I have to say I really like this look. This is definitely an everyday kind of look you can wear to school, and this can also be, I feel like, very fancy too if you use a lot of the shimmer. I feel like it could be really, really fancy look as well, and definitely you can make this as natural as possible, because you can just use some of the matte shades, not even touch the shimmers, or you can use just a little bit of the 5 Golden Rings shimmer one. Like, really, this palette is so versatile. You can definitely do a lot with it, I can tell. And these colors, they honestly, I think they really blended really well, and I really do like this look. So this was the Natural Beauty one. You can add eyeliner and mascara to finish this look off, but since I'm doing 2 other ones, I'm just going to not do that for now. So I'm going to take this off real quickly, and then the next one we're going to be doing is the Super Fun Night look. This is what it looks like. And if you open it up, it is super pretty. This is definitely, could definitely be a nighttime look, but it can also be pretty natural, and lighter as well. I feel like this can go from day to night, honestly, because there's some light colors up here, and then it gets darker, so I feel like you could use this for day and night. And I think I'm going to be going a little bit lighter with this one, because I feel like a lot of people are going to be doing really dark, smoky looks with this, so I kind of want to go a little lighter. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Oh What Fun, which is a like matte brownish, like a warm brown color on my shading brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to be putting that all over in my crease. Now I'm going to be going into a Cozy Cashmere, which is this really cute pink, like kind of mauve-ish color, and I'm going to be putting that kind of on my inner corners. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that, but I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. small precise brush, looks like this, and I'm going to be going into Cozy Cashmere, and then I'm kind of just going to be placing it all up my inner corner. I know it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I'm going to fix it. But next I wanted to take the shade Slay Girl and put that on my lid, and definitely blending that with the color I just put, so kind of in the center, but blending it with Cozy Cashmere that was on my inner corner. I'm actually going to add this color, I think, with my finger, because I feel like it might come off better. So we're just dipping into that and then blend it out. I'm going to be taking the shade Tipsy, which is a darker shimmery color. Kind of has a little green tint in it, honestly, I think. And I'm going to be taking that on the outer part of my lid. And I'm going to be using my finger for that as well so I can blend it together. Now that I have all that together, it looks kind of just like a mess of color on my lid, so I need to blend this, and I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush again to blend all of that. So I think I'm actually going to go back in with a What Fun with this Essential Crease Brush to blend that out again, so it just adds a bit more color up there. Now I want to go back with Slay Girl and take a brush to do that, because I think the color might come off a little better if I use a brush, because I feel like it kind of faded away now. So I'm going to be taking this brush into Slay Girl and doing that again. And now that I've done that, I'm going to use the same brush and go into Lucky Star and go over that same spot just to make it a little brighter and pop. So now I'm almost done, but I have one more color left to use, and that is No Peeking, which is a matte black shade. I'm going to be taking my small smudge brush and going in very lightly with No Peeking and just doing that underneath my eye. And with this, I'm only going to go halfway in so it's not too heavy. I've done that. I want to blend it with the shade Tipsy, so I'm going to go into that and go kind of over where I was before. Now this eye is done. I'm going to finish this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I've finished the other eye and I have both eyes done, and this is definitely a very light look, but it's still perfect for going out because it has that shimmer in it, and it's kind of like a champagne-y color, I would say, that I put on, and I think it looks really pretty and elegant and definitely girly, and I think it's really nice. So this is the finished look. Okay, so now I'm going to take this off and do the final look using the I Believe in Pink palette, and I will be right back. So now for the final look, I'm going to be going in with the I Believe in Pink palette to do a look with, and this is what it looks like. And this palette has a ton of really cute pink shades. There are, again, 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. There are 2 very neutral ones. One is like kind of vanilla color, then a light pink, then there's like a rose gold color, a pure pink shimmer, a more darker cranberry shimmer, and then like a matte brown. And I'm going to, again, try to use all these colors. So first I am going to apply a base with Snow Girl, that is the like vanilla color, and I'm taking my deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques and doing that. I'm going to take my essential crease brush from Real Techniques and go into Mink Pink and put this in my crease. I think we're going to use the same brush and then just go into Spoiled Orion, which is the kind of matte brown shade, and do the same thing. So now I'm going to take the shade Pink Rink, which is like a rose gold color, and put that kind of in the inner part of my lid, going towards the center, but not all the way. With my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush and taking this really pretty color that is Wish For It, and I'm going to put that all over the center of my lid and towards the outside. So I want to go back in with Spoiled Rotten with the Essential Crease Brush and just kind of blend this out more, because I feel like it looks a little rough at the moment, so we're gonna fix that. I'm really kind of disappointed because I thought that would be way more darker and be super smoky, but that kind of was not the best, to be honest. I mean, it still works, but I just thought it would be a lot darker. So maybe I'm gonna try this with my finger and maybe that'll help. Oh, okay, yeah, that definitely works a lot better. So definitely with the color Wish For, I would definitely use a finger, because that already looks so much better and there's no fallout doing that. So I'm gonna back in with that same crease brush into Spoiled Rotten like I did before and just blend that out again. Go into Pink Christmas, and then I'm gonna do that in the inner corner, kind of over where I put Pink Rink, and we'll see what that looks like. Go in with this Real Techniques detailer brush back into Pink Rink, and I'm gonna just do my inner corner highlight with that color because I thought that would be pretty. I want to use this brush again and just go into Snow Girl and kind of clean up under my brow bone. This side is fine, but this side I feel like it went too high and got a little bit messy, so I'm just going to try to clean that up with this brown bone color and see if that helps. And yeah, it did. That definitely looks much better. And with the shading brush, and go into Pink Christmas again and kind of run that under my eye. Honestly, I think my tip for this is I think I would definitely do eyeshadow first with all of these palettes, honestly, and then foundation, because I feel like there kind of is a lot of fallout on these palettes, I'm not gonna lie. I've kind of noticed that in a few. I feel like not as much in the Natural Beauty palette, but I feel like in the Super Fun Night and the I Believe in Pink palette, there was definitely fallout. Definitely in this one, with those colors, you have to be careful with that. But other than that, I think it looks good. Everything blended well, so I like it. It is definitely good. And yeah, this time I just did both eyes because, I don't know, I just did. Yeah, and now I'm just going to do eyeliner and mascara off camera real quick, because this is the last thing I'm doing and I'm going to wear this today, and I will be right back. This is the finished look for the I Believe in Pink palette, and I do really like this. I think this is pretty, and I think I would definitely wear this palette a lot because I do really like these kind of pink colors, so I do really like this. But yeah, I'm just going to definitely, and now I learned that this shimmery shadows in here do kind of work better with your fingers than brushes, not gonna lie. But yeah, I do really like this one, so this is the finished look. That was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 looks with the palettes, and overall, I really do like these. I think they're great because you can definitely make a look with each of them, and these are perfect to bring on the go. But I just kind of wish that they had mirrors in them because they don't, and it was kind of because I'm holding this huge palette and I have to like look in another mirror. It's kind of silly, but I do really like these. I think my favorite look was the one from the Natural Beauty palette. I just really liked that bronzy look, and I think that's one I'll definitely be wearing a lot every day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these looks, and comment down below which one was your favorite, and if you have any of these palettes and are going to try them out. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It's Beauty Queen 14, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Baby, I love the way that there's something so